What's going on, YouTube? It's me from the future. I just want to thank y'all for 50 subscribers. It's kind of crazy for me to get to 50 because in this past month alone I've gotten more subscribers than I have in the entire existence of the channel. I mean, 50 isn't just the hugest milestone, but it just shows that, you know, the work I'm putting in is paying off. So I just want to thank y'all. And one more thing, at 100 subscribers, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Y'all let me know what I should do in the comments below. And last thing, I'm doing a $100 gift card giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and like the video, comment, all of that. That's about it. Thank y'all for 50 subs again. Let's get to 100 and let's get right to this video. What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm out at the gas station with a little meetup. Got a lot of cars. But yeah, gonna be taking the Camaro out for the first car meet on camera, so this should be interesting. I had a video lined up for y'all of a different car meet I went to, but the footage was already trash. My mic was messing up, and then on top of that, my GoPro froze, so I didn't get any of it. But yeah, so we're gonna be shooting this meet today. But yeah, I got a few cars here, and yeah, I'll catch up with y'all once we get to the car meet. Alright, we're back. I'm about to run the 335 again. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we can get on next one. We got him. All right. It's a quick little rematch on the way. He has downpipes now, that's why I raced him again. That was a good little run. Anything else happens, I'll update y'all. Alright, so we're on the way to the car meet right now, so let the windows up so y'all can hear me. So yeah, me and the 335 guy. I'll link his Instagram right here if you want to see more of his car. But yeah, so basically that race, I raced him again because he got down pipes. And he retuned it, so it's a little bit faster, but again, it's not a dyno tune. If he gets a dyno tune and puts E85 in it, I'm pretty sure his car is going to beat mine. But that's basically just a downpipe intake. And why is this music on? Every time I turn my car on, there's classical music on. Back to what I was saying. We're pulling up to the meet now, and it's already a pretty good turnout here. It's a good amount of people. This is actually a pretty big meet. Pause. Pretty nice car meet though. Definitely gonna vlog it. Full right here.
Let's see it. Do it. Do it. Gonna be the instigator tonight.
Oh yeah, got to. I got the camera right here too. Gotta make sure my mic is on though. I think that's an R33. Yeah, it's definitely an R33. Correct me if I'm wrong. That is pretty loud. Turn. Up this turn. That is nice though. Those are decent.
Did you hear what's up? Northwoods and Hills is here, and they said Northwoods and Hills PD, and they're on the other side. So. It's in reverse, and it's 3 miles an hour, but I was in the seat.
Nice deal one right here.
I think I need a
7 right here. That is nice.
Someone saying that they got to move from this slot, but I don't think I got them.
I don't think I can fit in that car either.
Yeah. That guy over there.
Nice control right here. That's pretty nice. It's a pretty big turnout here though. That is it.
You know what? I do the countdown now, probably I'll be next time.
You got the big radials back there. That's pretty fast. That's pretty good.
It looks like a nicer version.
It's full racing seat belts. Yeah, this is big radials on the back too. Oh, that's fast, and then right behind it.
When I had my twin turbo, it was the same way. It was undermount turbo, so you pop the hood and everyone was here.
So I really didn't get to make an outro to the video. I kind of got lost in the craziness of that car meet after it ended. I wish I could have got some of the madness, but the police were kicking us out and they were threatening to write us tickets. So yeah, I really had to just get in my car and leave. I did get some pulls on the highway in looking for the other meet, but ended up not finding it. So I didn't get any of that on camera either, but I'll do a better job at the next meet I'm at. That's my first car meet in well over a year recording. So it's probably been 2 or 3 years since I recorded my last car meet. So I have some improving to do, but I'll get it all in the next one. You know, I'll do a better job. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed the video, then go ahead and drop a like again. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll be going to more car meets during this quarantine, semi-quarantine, and y'all stay tuned to the channel for more videos. But yep, Camaro did a good job at the meet. Still looks good. I washed it the other day. Washed it yesterday actually, but I don't know. Y'all saw my other video, I had it ceramic coated, so that's been holding up great. Anytime I wash a car, simple. And of course the bugs are there. So it's not all the way clean, of course. Every time you wash your car, it's gonna be bugs all over it. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed the video, give it a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. And yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one.